How to remove shows from YouTube TV library. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily remove shows from your YouTube TV library. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to delete the recordings on your library as well. So the very first thing you want to do is make sure to log into your YouTube library. And then once you're logged in on YouTube TV, make sure to head over to the library tab right here and click on it. Once you head over to your library tab, just scroll down and here it will show you your recordings tab. And here, for example, if I just click on this first option, it will show me the show right here, and on the check mark right here, if you just click on it like this, it will be removed from your library. Now once you remove it, once you go back and refresh, as you can see, this show has been removed. So about the YouTube recordings, what you can do is click on any show that you want to delete recording from. So what you can do is try to uncheck the go down and try to mark as read. So make sure that you mark it as watched. So click on the three lines and then click on mark as watched. So once you do that, you can also try to remove it from your library and it will stop recording completely. But you don't have to worry too much about your recordings because they will expire as soon as your DVR space runs out, and it will make space for other recent recordings. So as you can see, if I click on a specific recording right here, as you can see, it will expire on this certain date. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.